Understanding Estate Tax Return, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and important topic in the world of finance and law: estate tax return. If you're learning English and want to understand more about financial terms, especially those related to taxes, this video is for you. We'll break down what estate tax return means in simple terms, why it's significant, and some key aspects you should know about. So, let's get started. The term estate tax return can be split into two parts: estate tax and return. An estate tax is a tax imposed on the total value of a person's assets and properties at the time of their death. These assets include things like houses, cars, investments, and cash. The return, in this context, is a document or a form filed with the tax authorities. It reports the value of the estate and calculates the tax due based on this value. So, an estate tax return is essentially a tax form filed after someone's death, declaring the value of their estate for tax purposes. Understanding estate tax return is crucial because it deals with the transfer of wealth after someone passes away. It ensures that the correct amount of tax is paid on the inheritance of the deceased person's assets. This process helps in the lawful and fair distribution of assets and plays a vital role in financial planning and legal compliance. For individuals managing estates or inheriting property, knowing about estate tax returns is essential to handle these responsibilities correctly. There are several important elements in an estate tax return. Firstly, the value of the estate needs to be accurately calculated. This includes appraising properties, investments, and any other assets. Next, the applicable deductions, such as debts and funeral expenses, are subtracted to find the taxable amount. The form also requires details about the beneficiaries and how the assets will be distributed among them. Finally, the calculated tax amount is reported, and the return is filed with the tax authorities, often with the assistance of legal or financial professionals. I hope this video helps clarify what an estate tax return is and why it's a significant term in both the financial and legal realms. Remember, it's about reporting the value of a deceased person's estate and calculating the tax due on it. Understanding these concepts is vital for effective financial planning and legal compliance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos that make learning English enjoyable and informative.